Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Are you okay? Friends, I've come for math corrections. I've come for math corrections. Thank you so much. The ones who did well, the paper, and the ones who passed it. Thank you so much. Now I've come for corrections. Friends, we are going to pass through those numbers you failed. Okay? I want you to pay attention. We have this number 2. We have number 2. Question number 2. Some of you failed this number. Name the sets. Name the sets. Friends, there when you are given a question, name the sets. Here are some of the learners who wrote a set of tables they were given, and those ones who wrote a set of 3 tables who were putting the number of objects in the set were also given. But let me first draw the sets. Now, I've said that the ones who were naming the sets, that like a set of tables were also given, and the ones who were naming a set of 5 boys were also given. But friends, next time when you come across this question, you need to put number of objects in the set. Have you got me, friends? Good. So this is how you are supposed to name the set. A set of 3. You may put a figure, or you may even write the number of objects in words. Okay? Good. Tables. A set of 3 tables. That is how you are supposed to answer. Have you got me, friends? Good. Here, this is how you are supposed to answer. A set of, can we count the member in this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put 5 boys. Some of you in the exams, you are not putting letter S. You are just stopping on the word boy. And here we are saying here in the set we are seeing 5 boys. So when you are naming a set, make sure that you add there S to mean that they are many. Okay? Good. Now let us name this set a set of, can we count the chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A set of 6 chairs. Okay? Yes, that is how we are supposed to answer. Can we name also this set? A set of, can we count the members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A set of 7 pencils. A set of 7 pencils. That is how you are supposed to answer. Have you got it, friends? Yes, that is how we are supposed to name the sets. We have also the last set. The last set, we had apples. And here you are supposed to answer a set of 4 apples. Okay? Yes, that is how you are supposed to answer. Now we are done with that number. Friends, let's go to number 6. Open number 6, question number 6. Open question number 6. Here the question says, read. Question 6. Read, draw, and shade with the given color. The question says, read, draw, and shade with the given with the given color. We have letter A. It says a set of 9 green apples. Here, friends, some of you did not shade. You just drew the apples, but you did not shade. And this showed us that you did not read. According to our instruction saying, read, draw, and shade. But some of you did not shade. You just drew the apples, but you did not shade. And some of you did not get a mark when you did not shaded. So here we draw the apples. We draw the apples. They have told us to draw 9. Make sure that you also draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after drawing those apples, you get your green color. Get your green color, we shade them. You see? Yes. Now here you can get a tick because you've shaded them. But some of you do not shade them and you do not get a tick. Now friends, let us go to the next question. Our next question was telling us, this is B, a set of 3 blue kites. A set of 3 blue kites. Here you are supposed to draw 3 blue kites. And after drawing them, you shade. You shade them with the color blue. Then you get your blue color, then you shade them. Okay? Now, you see? Here you can get also a tick because you shaded them. Okay? Good. Now, let's go to letter C. We have seen these ones. Let me rub off. Now, we go to the ones on the question on letter C. It says a set of black goats. We draw our set. Then we draw the goats. Let me say that these are my goats. Don't laugh at my goats. These are my goats. Okay? Don't laugh at them. So here, friends, they said a set of 4 black goats. Here you are supposed to get a black color, If you don't get a color, you've not got a black color, you may use a pencil. You may use a what? A pencil. You shade it with black, okay? Shade it with black. Now, a set of 2 yellow chicks. Here you are supposed to draw 2 yellow chicks. After drawing the chicks, you do what? You shade. These are our chicks. After drawing them, we shade them with our yellow color. Okay? Okay, friends? Yes. So, a set of 2 yellow chicks. These are my chicks. Okay? Good. I've shaded them with yellow color. That is good. Now, friends, go to the last one. The last one was letter E. A set of 5 red pencils. Here you draw also a set. You draw a set. Then you draw our pencils there. They are fine. After drawing those pencils, we shade them with red color. This is my red color. Yes, that is how we are supposed to answer that question. Okay, friends? Yes. Sorry for those ones who failed it. The reason why was you do not color the objects. Okay? Yes. That's why we always tell you that you read the question and understand it. Okay? Now, friends, let us go to the next question. The next question was, write, and this was question number 7, write the day between. We had Monday, you know, when you're writing these days of the week, we start with a capital letter. Okay? When you start it with a small letter, you will not get a tick. Okay? Here the question is, write the day before. Write the day between. What does the word between mean? For example, if I have Monday, which day is between Monday and Wednesday? Which day is between? Between Monday and Wednesday. That day that is in the middle of Monday and Wednesday. What is that day? Friends, when you start reciting these days of the week, we start with Sunday. Can we start? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So the day that is between Monday and Wednesday, it is Tuesday. Make sure that when you are writing these days of the week, you start with the capital letter. When you start it with a small letter, you will not get a mark. You will not get a mark. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now let's go to the next question. We have Sunday dash Tuesday. Which day is between Sunday and Tuesday? Which day is that? Can you start telling the days of the week? Starting from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So the day that is between Sunday and Tuesday is Monday. Make sure that you start it with a capital letter. Okay, friends? Good. Now we go to the last one. We have Thursday dash Saturday. Which day is between Thursday and Saturday? Which day is that? Can we tell our days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the day that is between Thursday and Saturday is Friday. Okay? Yes, that is how you are supposed to answer. Have you got it, friends? Good. The ones who got it, thank you so much for filling the day between. Now, let us go to the next question. The next question is saying, this is question number 8. Write the number name after. Write the number name after. And here we are given the word 15, the word 15, the word 0, the word 13, the word 6, the word 19. So here they were telling you to write the number name after. Okay? So we have the word 15. Which word is after 15? You know, when you explain, it's like, if I'm given number 15, which number is after number 15? So they just confused you, and then they wrote the number name 15. Okay? So, which number name is after number 15? Which number name is after number 15? It is 16. You just write the word 16. Okay? Good. Now we go to the next number name. We have 0. Friends, when you are counting, we always start with 0. After 0, we go to number 1. Then here we are supposed to write the word 1. Okay? Then we have the word 13. What? Which number name is after 13? Which number name is after 13? It is 14. You write there the word 14. Okay? You just write there the word 14. confused you, then you started to getting confused. Some of you just wrote your numbers you are writing in figures and you got those numbers wrong. Okay? Now we have also the number name 6. Which number name is after the number name 6? It is 7. It is 7. Write it there. Then we have also the number name 19. Which number name is after the number name 19? It is 20. 20. Okay? Yes. You got the exam, you get that work. Correct. You just get marks there. But some of you fail to get marks, you are just writing in figures. Some of you did not read that question. And you did not get the question and what does it do and what it means. You just rushed and put your answers. Some of you failed this question. Now we go to question number 9. Go to question number 9. The question goes like this. How do you make it? How do you make it? How do you make it? Here we are supposed to tell the time. We are supposed to tell the time. So friends, when they give you a question like this, how do you make it? We are supposed to tell the time. We are supposed to tell the time. So what is the time? We said last time that when you are telling the time, when this long hand is pointing 12, this short one is the one that tells the time. Now, what is the time, friends? It is 9 o'clock. Some of you forgot this apostrophe and the word clock. O'clock. This is how you are supposed to answer. You forgot to put this apostrophe. Okay? That is how you are supposed to answer. It is 9 o'clock. Then here, what is the time, friends? The short hand is pointing in number 4. So what is the time? It is 4 o'clock. Now we go to the third one. Where is the short hand pointing? It is pointing in number 6. And what is the time? It is 6 o'clock. That is how we are supposed to tell the time. Then we go to the last one. The short one is pointing in number 1. And what is the time? It is 1 o'clock. You don't forget the apostrophe. Okay, friends? Yes, that is how you are supposed to answer that question. Then we go to question number 11. Which shape is, friends, here they told us to use bigger, or smaller. And we have letter A. Here we had a cone. We had a cone. And cone was letter A. Then we have also the oval. It was letter B. Then we got some questions under those shapes. Shape B is dash. And they told us to use bigger or smaller? When you look at these shapes, we have this shape A and this shape B. When you look at these shapes, which one is? No, shape B is, you're supposed to use bigger or smaller. Shape B is it smaller or is it bigger? What is the answer? Shape B is smaller. Here we are supposed to write the word smaller. But some of you are writing there the word oval. Because it's oval, and you are just writing there the word oval. And some of you failed this question. Shape B is smaller. Okay? Then another question. Shape A is dash. Now when you look at these shapes, you have shape A and shape B. Now we are going to use bigger and smaller. When you look at these shapes, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Which shape A is what? Is it smaller? Shape A is bigger. Here we write the word bigger. Okay, that is how we are supposed to answer. Okay, friends? Good. Then let us go to the last question. And these shapes. Shape B is dash than shape A. Shape B is dash than shape B. When we look at the shapes, we are going to compare using the word smaller. We are going to compare two shapes, okay? Now, when you look at this shape B and shape A, shape B is dash than shape A. Which word are you going to put there? Smaller or bigger? You are going to put the word smaller. Shape B is smaller than shape A. Okay? Yes, that is how we are supposed to answer. Now, let us go to the next shape. We have shape D and we have shape C. Shape C is dash than shape D. So which answer were you supposed to put? Shape C is dash than shape D. Which answer were you supposed to put? We put bigger or smaller. When you compare this shape D and this shape C, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? So, shape C is smaller. We write here the word smaller. Okay? Shape C is smaller than shape D. That is how we are supposed to answer. When you look at this shape D is bigger. We put the word bigger. So we have another question. Shape D is dash than shape C. When you look at shape D, is it bigger or smaller? Shape D is bigger. We write here the word bigger. Shape D is bigger than shape C. Okay? Then the last question. Shape C is dash. Which answer are you supposed to put when you look at shape C? Is it bigger according to shape D? Is it smaller according to the shape D? Yes. Shape C is smaller. We write there the word smaller. Okay? That is how we are supposed to answer that question. Okay, friends? Good. Now, we have also another question. It is also about sets. And it is question number 12. Question number 12. Some of you failed it. Question number 12. It says compare number 12. Compare the sets and the answer the following questions. Okay? Friends, here we had set A and set B. Set A had its members and set B had also its members. Okay? In set A we had 4 members. Then set B we had 9 members. Okay? Now we had also some questions under that set. Okay? Under those sets, we had question B. Then question A, it says, set B has dash members. Friends, when we look at set B, how many members does set B have? How many members does set B have? Here the question is saying set B has dash members, but some of you were just saying set B has more. You know, when we use more when we are comparing two things. We use more and than. Okay? Yes, here you are supposed to put members in that set B. Okay? Set B has, can we count the members in the set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We put 9. We may put the word 9 or the figure 9. Okay? Yes. You get this question. You get a tick. Okay? Good. Then another question. This is B. We are asking which set has more members? Which set has more members? Question mark. Because it is a question. Which set has more members, friends, when you look at these sets? Which set has more members? What was the answer? Here you are supposed to put set B. You write the word set B. Okay? That is the answer. Okay? Then we have also another question. Which set has less members? Which set has less members? When you look at these sets, which set has less members? What is the meaning of less? Less means that set that has let me say less members. When you compare this one and this one, that one who has the small members in the, let me say less something which is few, the one set that has few members. Okay? Yes, that is the meaning of less. Few. Now when you look at these sets, which set has less? It is set B. It is set A, sorry. We write there answer set A. Okay? Good. That is how we are supposed to answer. Then another question. How many members are in both sets? Okay? How many members are in both sets? How many members? Can you count them? So when they ask you how many members are in both sets, they want you to add the members that are in those two sets together. Okay? Can we add them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is they are 13. You may write it in words or in figures. Okay? Yes. There are 13 members. Good. There are 13 members. That is how you are supposed to answer. Okay? Yes, there are 13 members. That is how you are supposed to answer that question. Okay, friends? Yes, that is good. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to number 14. This one also is some of you failed it. Number 14. Number 14. Some of you failed that question. The question was saying add. Add. Some of you are just putting there the answer without showing the working, and some of you failed it because you cannot put the answer when you don't show there the working. Okay, now we have letter A. Our letter A saying 4 plus 6 equals 4 plus 6 equals. So how do you show the working? Where number 4, where the word 4 is, we put number 4. Okay? Then this word plus, we put the plus sign. Then we have the word 6, we put number 6. Okay? Then this word equals. This is how we show the working. Okay? Now, number 4, where number 4 is, we draw 4 balls. Where number 6 is, we draw 6 balls. Then after we add them together. Okay? Can we add them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Then here we write our answer in words. Okay? That is how we show the working. But some of you were just putting the word 10 without showing the working. And some of you failed that question because you did not show the working. Now we go to B. 2 plus 10 equals. Okay? Where the word 2 is, we write number 2. 2. Then the word plus, we put the plus sign. Then where the word 10 is, we put number 10. Where the word equals is, we put the equal sign. Okay? Where number 2 is, we draw 2 apples. Where number 10 is, we draw 10 apples. Then after we add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. The answer is 12. So here we write the answer in words. Okay, that is how you are supposed to answer. Okay, don't just put the words. Don't just put the number name without showing the working. They are going to cross. They are going to cross you. Okay, please show the working. Okay, good. Then we go to the last one. 7. 7 plus 7 plus 3 equals, okay, where the word 7 is, we put number 7. The word plus, we put the plus sign. Then where the word 3 is, put number 3. Where the word equals is, we put the equal sign. Then, where number 7 is, we draw 7 balls. We draw 7 balls. Where number 3 is, we draw 3 balls. Then after we add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Then here we write it in words. That is how we supposed to answer. Okay? Yes, that is good. Now friends, let's go to the next question. You failed. Number 16. Let's go to number 16. Question number 16 was saying, take away. Take away, and this is the take away sign. Okay? Yes, we had a 10, take away, 10, take away, 8 equals 10, take away 8 equals. How are we supposed to show the working? Some of you here, you failed some of you failed this question. You are not showing the working. How do we show the working? Where the word 10 is, and this is at take away, we put the take away sign. This one is wrong. Okay. take away sign, then we write number 8, then the equal sign. Here we are going to draw balls on number 10. Then we are going to take away how many? 8. We cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we count the remaining 1, 2. The answer is 2. We also write it here in words. Okay? That is how we are supposed to answer. Let us go to question B. 14. 14. Take away 14, take away 9 equals, okay, where the word 14 is, we write number 14. Take away, we put the take away sign. Then where the word 9, we put write number 9. Then the equal sign. Now we are going to draw balls on number 14. Okay? Can we draw them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We are going to cross 9. We are going to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we count the remaining. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. We also write it here in words. Okay? That is how we are supposed to show the working. Then we go to question C. 11. 11. Take away. 11 take away 5 equals where the word 11 is, we write number 11. Then we put the take away sign. Where the word 5 is, we write number 5. Then the equal sign. Now we are going to draw balls on number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are going to cross how many? 5. And we cross them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. We also write it here in words. That's how we are supposed to show the working. Okay? Yes. I know you've got it now. Next time, we will show the working. Okay? Good. Now let's go to the last question. And this one you also got confused when you are answering it. And it's question number 18. Some of you got confused when you are answering this question. This question was draw for the number names. For the number name, sorry. Draw for the number name. Question number 18. And the A was the word two. We had the word two. Here you are told to draw for the number name. If you are given the word two, you can draw any pictures you want, okay? Yes, you are not told to draw this type of picture. You draw any, okay? So here, the word two, we have drawn what? The trees, okay? Yes, you draw any. You draw anything you want, okay? Because I've told you to draw for the number name. Then we have B. B, we have the word three. Yes, the word three. So you draw any pictures you want, okay? You draw. Me here, I'm going to draw apples, okay? Yes, because they have told me to draw three, okay? Now we got to see six, okay? I draw six. I'm going to draw my 6 pictures. I've drawn my streets. Okay, and they are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yes, that is how we are supposed to answer. Now, the last question was we're supposed to look for the word 8. Okay, have you seen? Okay. Let me draw my pictures here. Here I've drawn my eggs. I've drawn eggs. Yes. So that is how we are supposed to answer. Okay, friends? Yes. Thank you for listening. The other questions you got it well. Apart from those questions we have learned. Those are the questions you failed. Thank you for listening and thank you for being good children.